morning everyone. So let us start our class. So till exercise 3.3 we have done. Some questions I have given homework. Some of you have submitted the homework and some of you have not submitted. If you have any doubt you can ask, okay. So today I will move to checkpoint 3.4, okay. So see, what is the first question? Which of the following numbers are not perfect square? Which of the following numbers are not perfect square? So we have the property also with us. We already know the property, isn't it? If the number ends in 2, 3, 7 and 8, then it is not a perfect square. First property, isn't it? So if it is, if that property will apply, then we will apply that property, okay. So say what is question number 1? Number 1 is what? 91. Now see, you cannot apply the property over here. Why? Because this is ending in what? 1. So this can be a perfect square also. So you cannot apply the property, okay. So rather what you have to do, you just think 91, 8 8 ja 64, 9 9 ja 81, 10 10 ja 100. 91 is not there. So 91 can't be a perfect square. So your answer will be what? Isn't it? 9 9 ja is what? 81. After that directly 10 10 ja 100. After 81 what is there? 100 is there, okay. After 81 what is there? 100 is there. So this is what? Not a perfect square. So your answer will be what? Not a perfect square. Next what is given? Next it is 169. Now clearly we know 169 is what? 13 square, isn't it? 13 13 ja 169. Yes, it is a perfect square. Number 3, 162. So again you see 162. This one too clearly we can say it is ending in what? 2. If it is ending in 2, then it is what? Not a perfect square. Okay. Number 4, 2 to 5. Now again 2 to 5. I think so most of you know now what is 2 to 5. 15 square, isn't it? 15 15 ja is what? 2 to 5. So yes, it is a what? Yes, it is a perfect square. Okay. So done. Question number 1 done. Now let us move to question number 2. Check if the following numbers are perfect square. This time we have to check whether they are perfect square or not. So same type of question, okay. First question was which of the following numbers are not perfect square. So 1 and 3 was not perfect square. Over here also same question. Check whether they are perfect square or not. Number 2, number 1. What it is there? 183. So no, clearly we can say what? It is ending in 3. So directly we can say no, it is not a perfect square. Done. Very simple. Number 2, 267. Solution. It is ending in what? 7. 2, 3, 7, 8. Then never a perfect square. So it is ending in 7. So again the answer will be what? No, it is not a perfect square. Okay. Number 3. Number 3, 484. Now this is ending in 4. So we cannot tell whether it is a perfect square or not. So we have to check. Now if you have memorized, then it is good. I don't know how many of you have memorized till 30 square. If you have memorized, then directly answer you can write. Among you, whichever student has memorized till 1 square to 30 square, they can give the answer directly. 484 is a perfect square or not. Okay, so let me check. Say 22 into 22. 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4, 4, 8, 4. So if any one of you has memorized 22 square, then you can say that yes, 484 what is a perfect square. But say in exam, you don't know whether it's a, say you have not memorized, which is wrong, but say suppose you have not memorized, then in exam how you will do? Simply use the prime factorization method. Suppose you have not memorized, okay? 484, okay? Simply use prime factorization method. 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, and then 11 ja is what? 121. So you see, therefore 484 is equal to what? 2 into 2 into 11 into 11. So you see, 2 is also in pair, 11 is also in pair, both are in pair. 2 is also double, 11 is also double. So your answer will be what? Yes, it is a perfect square. Now if you have memorized, if you know it is already 22 square, you directly write the line, yes, it is a perfect square. No need to show this one. Only for those students who don't know that it is 22 square, then they have to find in this way. But it is easy if you memorize. See, if you memorize, that much of time will save in your exam. So you memorize from 1 square to 30 square, it will help you in 70% of the question. 30% question you have to solve by yourself. Okay. Last 6 to 5. Again, if you have memorized, then you can find it directly. So this time I will find directly because I have memorized. I know what is 6 to 5. 6 to 5 is 25. 25 is what? 6 to 5. Isn't it? So I can write that yes, it is a perfect square. Okay. Even if you find in this way, then also you will get the answer as what? 25 only. Okay. Okay. So done. Now question number 3. What is question number 3? So this is a new method, which is a very boring method. This method is not that useful, okay, but still just for your knowledge, this method is important. This method is known as the method of repeated subtraction. So what method you have learned till now? Factorization method. This method just now you have done in exercise 3.2, you have done. That method is known as factorization method. One more method you will learn in the next exercise 3.5. In 3.5 you will learn another method that is known as what? Division method. Okay, so and one last method is there which is not that much useful. Only one question is there. This one, question number 3. It is known as repeated subtraction method. This is known as what? Repeated subtraction method. The process is very simple. Whatever number it will be given, you will only subtract by successive odd numbers. At first I will subtract 1. The next odd number is what? 3. I will subtract 3. Then I will subtract 5. Then I will subtract 7. Till the answer gets what? 0. Till the answer gets 0, you have to keep on subtracting. So the method is little bit boring method. But okay, just for knowledge, say question number 3. You read the question once. What is question number 3? Find the square root of 196 and 289 by the method of repeated subtraction. Okay. 196 and 289. Okay. So at first say number 1 is not given. So the solution we will find for what? 196. So how to start? Start subtracting odd numbers. Serially you subtract. Okay. Successive odd numbers. Like that, say 196 at first what? Minus 1. First odd number. Okay. So 196 minus 1 will be what? 195, isn't it? Next what? 195 minus 3. This will be 192. Keep on doing this way. Next what you will subtract? After 3 what you will subtract? What is the next odd number? After 3? 5. So you will subtract what? 5. So 192 will come here. 192 minus what? 5 will be equal to what? Subtract 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 7. Okay. 7 and then 8 and then 1. 187, isn't it? Then what is the next odd number? What is the next odd number after 187? Sorry, 187. What is the next odd number? 135, then is 7, isn't it? So this will become what? 180. Then 180 minus, what is the next odd number after 7? 9. What will happen if I subtract 9? This will become 1 and this 7 1, isn't it? 171. So then 171 minus next odd number is what? Odd number, okay? Don't bring an even number. 1 3 5 7 9 11, and you cannot miss a odd number also. After 5 you cannot subtract 9. Serially it should go, okay? Okay, if you subtract 11, 1 minus 1 is 0, 7 minus 1 6, so this is what? 160. Done. Then 160 minus after 11 is what? 13. So over here it will become 7 2 3 4 5 6 4, and this will become 147. How much? 147, isn't it? Next is 147 minus next odd number is how much? 15. 5 6 7 is 2. 1 2 3 4 is 3, and then this one 132, isn't it? Keep on subtracting. After 15 next odd number is what? 17. So 132 minus how much? 17. 7 8 9 10 11 12, this will be 5. 1 2 3 1, 115. Okay, after that what? 115 minus next odd number 19. So 9 10 11 12 13 14 15, over here it is 6 1 2, over here it is 9 96, isn't it? 96 106 16 115. Then after that 96 minus next odd number is what? 21. So that's why this method is what? This method is boring method, okay? Yes, the name is repeated subtraction method, but you can also say this is what? Boring method, okay? So you see, you have to subtract, and you have to subtract. What is the square root of 196? Anyhow, 14, isn't it? So we know the answer will come what? 14 times you have to subtract. How many times done? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. 3 more times you have to subtract, then we will get the answer 0, you see. So subtract 6 minus 1 is what? 5 2 3 7, isn't it? 75. After that 75 minus what? 23. 3 4 5, that is what? 2 2 7 minus 2 5 6 7, this is what? 52. Done. Then next is what? Next is 52 minus 23 24 25. 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 7 2 3 4 5 27. Next you see, next 27 minus what is the next odd number? 27, which is equal to 0. So your process stops here. You will stop here since your answer is what? 0. Now you count how many times you have subtracted. How many times? 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So therefore square root of 196 is what? 14. So very simple. This is the way you have to do this question, okay? Next one is what? Next you have to find 289. Now we already know what is the square root of 289. We already know how much? It is 17, isn't it? The square root is what? 17. So how many times you have to subtract? 17 times. 14 times to done. 15, 16, 17. More 3 times you have to subtract. So that one is your homework. Okay? 289 you find by yourself. Same process. 289 minus 1. Then again minus 3. Then minus 5. Minus 7. Minus 9. Keep on doing. 17 times you will do. You will get your answer 0. If your subtraction is not wrong. Okay? So understood? This is repeated subtraction method. Very simple method. And very boring method as well. Okay? Very simple and very boring. Done? Okay, so now question number 4. We will move to question number 4. Okay, so someone has placed a call, so the video got disconnected. So yes, now we will do question number 4. Find the square root of the following numbers by the method of what? Following numbers by the prime factorization method. Already in exercise 3.2 I have done, or you have done in homework also. Understood? Same method again. You see in exercise 3.2. Exercise 3.2. not 3.2, 3.1, sorry, in 3.1 only. In 3.1, question number 4, how you have done? Question number 4, question number 5, this method, or question number 1 only, using prime factorization method, find which of the following numbers are perfect square. This is 3.1, question number 1. And same question is what? Again question number 4, find the square root of the following numbers by the method of prime factorization method, or by the prime factorization method. So already you know the method. One question I will do, rest you try by yourself. If anywhere you find difficulty, the difficulty will only come in prime numbers like 17 ja, 23 ja, okay, 29 ja. So that's why you memorize at least till 30 square. That's why I am saying, if the difficulty will come, the difficulty will come only in there only. Okay, I will do say difficult one, I will do one. Number 4, number 9 I will do, okay. Number 4, number what? 9. 298116. 298116. And any question from question number 1 to question number 10 except this, if you have any difficulty, just exercise number, question number you say that you were unable to do, you just message me and I will do it in the next video, okay. So say I will do this one because already you have done in 3.1, so I will not keep on doing, okay. We have to cover a lot of syllabus, understood? So I said 298116. So start doing. Even number 6 is what? Even numbers always by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8, 9, 18, 2 9 ja 18. Then here comes the mistake, okay. Over here student makes mistake, you see. Now they will do what? 2 5 ja 10. No. 2 1 ja 2, 2 1, 2 4 ja 8, 9. Then 1 is the remainder. 1 and 18, 2 9 ja 18. Next digit is what? 1. The next digit is 1, not 11. Now since 1 is smaller than 2, so you need what? A 0. Over here the mistake happens, okay. 2 zeros are 0. Then now it is 11. Then 2 5 ja 10, 11 16, 2 8 ja 16. Done. Again you see 8 is there, so it is what? Even number. 2 7 ja 14, 2 4 ja 8, 9 10, 2 5 ja 10, 2 2 ja 4, 5 18, 2 9 ja 18. Now this is an odd number, so it is not divisible by 2, okay. So we will check by what? 3. So check. 5 plus 4 9, 9 9 18, 18 19 20, 27. So yes, 27 is divisible by 3, so it is divisible by 3. How to check by 3? Simply add all the digits. So you see 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 plus 9 is 18, 18 plus 2 is 20, 20 plus 7 is 27, 27 is divisible by 3, so this is divisible by 3. 3 2 just 6, 7, 14, isn't it now? 14, so 3 4 just 12, 13, 14, 25, 3 8 just 24, 25, 1 is there, 1 and 2 12, 3 4 are 12 and 3 3 are 9. Okay, so again you check whether it is divisible by 3 or not. So 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 4 14, 14 plus 4 18, 18 plus 3 is 21. 21 is divisible by 3, so this is divisible by 3. 3 8 ja 24, 3 2 ja 6, 7 8, 24, 3 8 ja 24, 3 1 ja 3. Done. Next is what? So see, it is again divisible by 3 or what? Add 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 8 18, 18 plus 1 is 19, and 19 is not divisible by 3. So we will check by what? Next prime number, that is 5. Now since in the ending it is 1, for 5 what should stay? 0 or 5. But it is 1, so it is not divisible by 5. Clearly we can see it is not divisible by 5. So next prime number is what? 7. So let me check by 7. 7 1 just 7, 8, 12, 7 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 58, 7 is 56, 57, 21, 3 7 is 21. Yes, it is divisible by 7. So you check by 7. If you want, you can check like that also, okay, divide it. Like this also you can check by 7, but try to check it shortcut only. So it is divisible by 7, 7 1 is 7, 8, 1 and 2, 12, again 7 1 is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 58, 7 8 ja 56, 57, 58, 21, 7 3 ja 21. So check again whether it is divisible by 7 or not. 7 ones are 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 48, 7 6 are 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 63. So yes, it is divisible by 7. So again, 7 ones are 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 48, 7 6 are 42, 6 in hand, 6 and 3, 63, 7 9 are 63, and 169 we already know it is what? This is nothing but 13 13 is 169, since it is a prime number. So now we will stop here, okay? So this method is prime factorization method. Already you have done in what? Exercise 3.1. Your table should be correct. You should know the divisibility rule. Slowly and steadily you do. Memorize the prime number, okay? 13 13 ja. This is easy, only 13 13 ja. In some question you will get 29 29 ja also. So you memorize, and yes, if you find any difficulty you can ask. So yes, we have to find the square root now. So therefore 298116 is equal to what? Find the square root, isn't it? So therefore square root we have to find. So give square root. So therefore 298116 will be what? Root over, how many 2 is there? 2 is there. How many 3? Again 2. How many 7 is also 2, and 13 is also 2. So you see, from this 2 2, 1 2 will come. From this 2 3, 1 3 will come out. From this 2 7, 1 7 will come out. From this 2 13, 1 13 will come out. Multiply, this is your answer. 3 2 ja 6, 13 7 ja is 91. 3 2 ja 6, 13 7 ja 91, 6 1 ja 6, 9 6 ja 54. So your answer is what? 546. So understood what is your answer? Your answer is 546. So let me check once. 3.4 question number 4, number 9. Yes, 546. Understood? So already this method you know, you practice. If you have difficulty, so you can ask me anytime only. Definitely in the next video I will solve it. But if you can, then do the next question 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, all the question homework, okay? From 1 to 10, except this. This already I have done. So try the other questions by yourselves, okay? Number 5 also we have already done in our exercise 3.1. By which least number should we multiply the following to make perfect square? Okay, but keep it. 5 we will do in our next class. Then 6, 7 word maths are there. After that this is complete. Then we will move to our division method. Okay, very important exercise, division method, very very important. That question will carry 5 marks. Okay, in your final examination or in your half yearly examination, 5 marks. And this chapter will complete after that. After that we will move to algebra, very very important exercise. So that's all for today's class. Do the homework. Any difficulty you send that this question you are unable to do. So that's all. Thank you.